Can you consent to sexual activity if you're blacked out? Hi, I'm Joseph Jordan, attorney with the Jordan UCMJ Law Group, and I'm going to talk to you about whether or not an individual can consent in a blackout state. When we think of blackouts, we're thinking about individuals who they drank too much, right? But there's a difference between blackout and pass out. Pass out is an individual who's completely knocked out. They have no idea what's going on. They cannot function. They can't move their limbs. They can't do anything. They are passed out. But someone that's blacked out is someone that doesn't have a memory of what it was they were doing. So picture this. You're watching court, okay? And you see the court reporter in the corner. What are they doing? They're recording what's happening in the courtroom. Now, let's say the court reporting equipment just stops. But court continues. Everything in the courtroom happens. People interact with each other. But what's missing? The memory, the recording of what happened in the courtroom. And that is what blackout is. And that's why when you are in a blackout state, you can exhibit the ability to consent to sexual behavior. When that happens, that raises the legal defense of mistake of fact as to consent. So if the other party is either blacked out or not blacked out, the male, the accused, and they see what's happening, and they have no idea that you're blacked out, but you are exhibiting those signs that you want to consent to sexual activity, then you wake up the next morning, you have no idea what happened. A lot of times people say, well, I was sexually assaulted. Well, that wasn't the case. Because if you were functioning like a normal person, you just don't have a memory of it, then the other party who had sex with you mistakenly believed that you consented. And that is the mistake of fact as to consent defense.